Uh, um, I see this airplane, and I see this man riding an airplane, and he's got his hand out the window, and he's enjoying the airplane and the wind from the clouds and stuff like that. So I feel that he actually enjoyed stuff like that, either flying or around something, the clouds or something like that. But he's in an airplane. Jerry. I feel that this is a male that's coming through. I feel that he's in his 30s to 40s, so he's really young. I'm picking up like a Jared, around that name. Is that for you? Okay. So I see him in an airplane, okay, and he's got his hands out the window, and he's enjoying life, okay, he's laughing. I was picking up the Jared, okay, around that name. He wants everyone to know that he's still able to do his passion. I don't know what this is, but he says 2 and 2, 2 and 2, and he's talking about how, like, his kids. So if that makes sense. So I feel that there's something with 2, but then I feel that there could be 2 more that he loved, or something around that. But I do feel that there's 2.
Yeah, he had 2 daughters.
2 daughters. Okay. I don't know why, but he's mentioning a J, and I feel that it's a female. So I don't really know who that is, but he is talking about like a J. He needs everyone to understand that he's at peace now. Okay. I feel a depression. Like I feel something with the depression, and he didn't want to be a burden to anyone. Okay, so he talked about the depression and the burden and stuff like that. I feel that he had a loving heart. Someone worried that if he was not in heaven, he is. Like there was actually some talks about it, and he wants everyone to know that he is in heaven, okay? He is. He's of the light. Like I see him, and when I do see him, he's in the clouds. He's laughing, he's smiling, and he's got like this blue light around him. So when I see that, we know that it's of the light. I don't know who this is. They're trying to step in. It's like a Robert, but he's passed as well, but he's just trying to step in real quick.
My cousin's dad.
Huh?
My cousin's dad.
Okay. He's just stepping in real quick, saying, I'm here. I feel that the 2 was his life, but now he's able to really be the dad that he's always truly wanted to be. He does talk about the depression, but he needs everyone to understand that he's at peace now.
And he committed suicide.
Okay, that makes sense. In, H. I hear in, H. So I don't know what that is. They're still alive, but I feel that it's initials to someone. He could be just trying to validate for, but it's really muffled and echoed sounding. There's a female trying to come forward. Says I'm with mom. So I feel that there's a mom figure or around that that's with him as well. I keep picking up a V, 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 or around the initial V. That's
Yeah,
with him.
That's his mom.
This is okay. There's a lot of anger towards this. There's a lot of like, what? He loves everyone, and he wasn't trying to be selfish. Okay, yeah. So he wasn't trying to be selfish. He didn't want to be a burden to anyone. He's thankful for the ones that was there for him, and he needs everyone to understand that he's finally at peace with himself. He's finally at peace. I don't know if someone had a dream about him, but he does come in dreams at times. Yeah. So just know that the dreams, the good dreams are real because he's in heaven. Okay? There's no more worrying about it. He wasn't trying to be selfish. When I connect with him, I feel peaceful. Okay. So that tells me that he is at peace. He wants you to remember him flying through the clouds in the airplane with his hand stretched out, okay? And then the clouds coming through his hand, and he's laughing and he's smiling. And he's not alone, okay? V is with him. I do hear music with him, so I don't know if he was a big music guy, but I do hear like music being played with him. But just know that he is at peace, okay? And the dreams are real, you know, the good dreams. And he's always going to watch over y'all. And he can finally be truthfully the daddy that he's always truly wanted to be. He does talk about the H, and then the N.
Yeah, his daughter was Haley and Nicole.
Okay. Perfect. Please know that their daddy will always be with him, okay? I don't know who the J is that he's talking about. It's a female. So he's talking about a J and something about how she moved on or something. But he's talking about someone moving on or whatever.
Might have been his fiance.
Okay.
I think her.
Just talking about it or whatever.
Yeah.
Just know that he's at peace. When I connect with him, he's at peace. That's what he keeps on about it, so I have to say it. Peace. I don't know why, but like just an image just now. So I want to say what I see him on the airplane, but I also see him like on a dirt road in a truck driving with loud music, and he's like jamming out and hitting the thing. So I can see him doing that as well. So, but it's like a big truck. So just know that I think it's just some of his memories.
He loves to fly on an airplane. He was also a truck driver, so.
Oh. Okay. All right. Thank you for validating. Just know that he's only going to remember the good memories. All of the depression, all of that's gone. Okay? He's healed.